Hey guys, Dev here from Affinity YouTube channel. Now this is the video series on pro level color grading in Affinity Photo. In this video I will show you pro orange color grading effect. Plus you can download this free color grading effect as LUT that I have created in this video. Link in the video description and password in this video. So please watch this video till the end and unlock this free LUT file and use it in your project. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video. And you can follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image. Go to Adjustment, Channel Mixture. Select Red Channel, make red 0. Green 200%, blue minus 100%. Change blend mode to lighten. Go to Adjustment, HSL. Select yellow, reduce saturation minus 75%. Luminosity minus 10%. Select selective colors. Here select color reds, cyan minus 50%, magenta plus 10%, yellow plus 10%. Keep rest as same 0. Select color yellow, cyan minus 50%, magenta plus 10%, yellow plus 10%. Go to neutrals, cyan plus 10%, keep rest as same 0%. Go to blacks, black plus 10%, keep rest as same 0%. Use curves, master and follow this step like this. Now select red, follow this step like this. Use levels, output black levels plus 5%. Now make this effect as LUT. Go to top left menu, File, Export LUT. Give a title and save it. Now go to adjustment, scroll down, alert, click this gear icon, import the effect, and apply it. And that's it. This is my final output. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video, subscribing this Affinity Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Affinity Photo Effect tutorials. Also, share your valuable comment on this video. You can connect me on my Instagram account, link in video description, and also you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching. I'm Dav from Affinity Vibe YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next video soon. Till then, keep practicing, cause practice makes us perfect, and have fun with Affinity Photo.